Why do we get dehydrated on vacation? So it's a classic side effect of traveling. Number one, if you take an airplane, the airplane cabin has 10 to 20% humidity compared to 30 and 50% in our house. Now, what else do we do on a vacation? Well, we tend to drink more caffeine and alcoholic beverages than what we're used to. Another thing is you may not want to carry around a big water bottle or spend $6 for one at an event. Another funny thing is that we tend to not drink as much because we don't know where to find the bathrooms. Like when you go to a touristy spot or if you're over at the pool, you don't want to stop your fun in order to find the bathroom, okay? It's really weird what we do sometimes. Okay, another thing is that when we're doing this touristy stuff, we may actually be more active and more ambitious than we normally are in our typical routine. So then you're going to sweat more, and then your body is going to work off your food and your water so much faster on vacation than if you were at home at work. Okay, another thing is when we shift from climates, so when you go from cold to hot or from a low altitude to a high altitude, the changes in the climate actually, your body has to accommodate for that, and it usually takes 1 to 2 days to make that switch over. So then what can we do on vacation to not be dehydrated? Okay, number one, drink water with every meal. Okay, and then the second part is if you are having your caffeine or alcoholic beverages, is to do a 1-to-1 rule. So for every 1 caffeine, you need 1 glass of water. This is Janet D, the PT. Have a great day.